Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Ralph at IMS 3D Printing and Engraving. Today I'm going to show you how to make paw ornament for your pets, for your Christmas tree, or whatever you want to hang them on. It doesn't matter. You can actually take the circle out and not use it and just make a poster or a wall ornament or something. I found a file on Etsy that I was using for a little while. Then I realized, you know what, this is something that's very easy now that I'm learning, and I figured I'd share my experience with you on how to make one of these. This way you don't have to go out and buy a file. It'll save you a little bit of money. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. It lets me know that you guys like them, and I'll keep making them. Without further ado, let's get started. Thank you. All right, pet lovers, here's what we're going to do. We are going to make ornaments for your pets. I sell a lot of these, and I bought a file off Etsy and was using that, but I figured I'd show you how to make your own little, this way you don't have to go spend money. You can make your own little design. The first thing I did was just look for a regular pet paw clip art online. I found it on the 3-axis site. Went ahead and downloaded it, so let's import it. And this is what we're working with. First thing I'm going to do is group it. So you're going to want to make an outline, and you want to make sure it's big enough to cover the whole item. So that's 2, that's 3. We have this. We can leave it at 3 and just delete that, or we can just make it a little bit bigger, make it 4. I think 3 works for me. I'll just leave it like that. I'll take that piece inside, we ungroup it first, and just remove it. After that, I'm going to group it all together. We're going to take a circle. I don't know, say about, I guess 9mm will work. We're going to click on both images, make sure they're centered. And I'm just going to take the circle and bring it right up. Right about there looks good. You can make it bigger, smaller, it's all up to you. And we're going to merge these 2 images together. Then I'm going to take another circle, roughly 3mm. Do the same thing, center it, and just slide it up. And that's the whole for the ornament hanger. That was pretty quick and easy, right? All right, next thing we're going to do is add some text. We're going to group that all together. Text tool out. Add a name. And we're going to need a better font from that. I have one that's like called Letterpress Clean Script. Only problem there, the V is not connected to the E, so we're going to have to connect them. Convert to path. And I should be able to select the V, move it in. Just like that. Select the 2 items, merge them together. Now we have one word. Take that all, group it back together. Shrink it down to the size we want. I hate when I hit shift and do that. We'll go ahead and select it, shrink it down to the size we want. Make sure it fits in there good. Try to get where it has multiple contact points. Shrink this side down just a little bit more. Right about there looks good to me. I'll bring that up just a little bit. And we'll weld it together. And then we have a simple pet ornament. All right, what we could do is, import another image. We want to get a little fancy. Snowman. Let's trace him out. Right click, trace image. That's pretty standard. There's nothing really special about this. We're going to group them together. Actually, let's ungroup them. Can we select the inner lines and remove them? Okay. We'll group them back. Slide them on over. Shrink them down to the size we need. I think we'll have them sticking out here a little bit. Oh, this hand's kind of sticking out there. Let's fix that. Definitely want to at least have one of his hands. Just a little more tilt. Let's see how that looks. We'll add a snowflake. Trace that image. May need to find a better snowflake. take a look, see how that looks. And there we have it. Quick, easy. I'm going to ungroup that real fast. Get rid of the inside of that nose part. Quick and easy. Group it together. I want to say thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a good holiday season. And if you could please remember, like and subscribe. I appreciate you. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.